We've all experienced the sudden jolt in a car. But why does it happen? The answer lies in one of the most fundamental principles of physics. Today, let's learn about the law of inertia. First formulated by Sir Isaac Newton, the law of inertia states that an object at rest will remain at rest, and an object in motion will continue moving in a straight line at a constant speed, unless an external force acts upon it. In simple terms, objects naturally resist any change in their motion. This concept isn't just a theory, it's something we experience in our daily lives. Let's start with a situation you have probably encountered before. In the opening scene, the car was moving smoothly down the road, and so were the passengers inside. But the moment the driver slammed the brakes, the car came to an abrupt stop, while the passengers lurched forward. Why did this happen? The answer lies in inertia. The passengers were moving at the same speed as the car. When the brakes applied an unbalanced force to stop the vehicle, nothing acted immediately on the passengers to stop them. Their bodies wanted to keep moving forward at the same speed until another force, which is the seatbelt, intervened. This is exactly why seatbelts are essential. They apply the external force needed to stop your motion safely, preventing serious injury. Without them, you could be thrown forward uncontrollably. Inertia doesn't just apply to moving vehicles. It affects stationary objects too. Let's take a look at a simple trick that proves this idea. Place a stiff card over the mouth of a glass and balance a coin on top of it. Now, with a quick flick of your finger, send the card flying. What happens? The coin doesn't move with the card. Instead, it drops straight down into the glass. But why? The answer? Inertia. The coin was initially at rest, meaning it resisted changes to its motion. When you flick the card, you apply a force to it, making it move. However, that force doesn't directly act on the coin, with nothing to push it forward. The coin stays in place until gravity pulls it straight down into the glass. This simple trick is a perfect demonstration of how objects at rest tend to stay at rest, unless acted upon by an external force. From cars to coins to rolling marbles, we have seen how inertia influences motion. Now, let's bring it all together. In summary, the law of inertia states that objects at rest remain at rest unless acted by an external force. Objects in motion keep moving in a straight line at a constant speed unless an external force causes them to stop or change direction. Understanding inertia is more than just a physics concept. It's essential for safety in everyday life. Seatbelts, helmets, and well-designed transportation systems all help protect us by counteracting sudden forces that could cause harm. And that's it for today. See you next time.